Traveling southwest from Roanoke, we were heading to Bristol, located deep in the heart of Virginia. Along the way, we stopped at some interesting places, like the Blue Ridge Institute in Ferrum, which has some heritage houses and farms you can explore by yourself, or hop into the museum that has a rotating exhibit of local culture. We got to see a really interesting collection of souvenirs, some dating back to well over 200 years, that helped define Virginia to the traveling world. Next, completely on a whim, we stopped at Harmon's Country Outlet, which is a western wear emporium that has an amazing museum in the back. It's a huge collection of local historical elements, including walls of rifles and tools that help defend and shape the area. Cases filled with Bibles, documents, and all sorts of curios from the past, including a shaving kit from General Burnside who, yes, gave us sideburns. That's a true story. There's even a two-headed calf in a case that they tell us brings you good luck if you stare into all four eyes at once. We'll take their word for it. Next up was a quick stop at the Blue Ridge Music Center that had everything you need to know about the history of country music in Virginia. You can even get a quick lesson of local instruments like this handmade dulcimer, which was amazing. Traveling due west, we finally reached the old town of Bristol, which is considered the birthplace of country music. The Country Music Museum can tell you all about it, or you can just wander the streets and listen to the live history pour out from the bars. We stayed at the Sessions Hotel, where each suite is named after a famous country music family, and enjoyed an amazing meal in their barbecue joint before taking a drink over the town at their lovely rooftop bar.